To obtain your CastleBranch Summary Report, log into your CastleBranch profile. On the left-hand side of the screen, click on the button that says Document Center. In the drop-down menu, click the button that says My Documents. Click on the button that says Clinical Requirements. Scroll down to the document that begins with results_90. Download the summary report and save it on your desktop or a place where you can access it easily. You will upload the summary report into week 1 of every course that you take in the section labeled CastleBranch Document. You will know it has been approved when you see a check mark next to the link. You can also click on the link and see that it has been approved when you see that there is 100 underneath the document.